Laprite Wi-Fi use Bluetooth adapter with antenna, 600 beeps, dual band 2.45 gigs, 2-in-1 Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.2 adapter, wireless network, external receiver network, dongle for pitch updates. Upgrade your old device to dual band Wi-Fi again. Antenna grade enhances the reception and transmission signal strength of the USB adapter. Dual band 2.4G and 5G's band provide flexible connectivity. Upgrades your PC approves 800 2.11 giving your devices access to the latest dual band Wi-Fi router for faster speed and extended range. Bluetooth transmitter Bluetooth 4.2 enables your non-Bluetooth PC to wirelessly connect with Bluetooth devices such as smartphone, iPad, tablet, speaker, headset, keyboard, mouse, printer, projector, etc. for data transfer, reader, or print. Up to 33 if connection distance compatible with Windows 7 at K8.2F. Driver free, the adapter is built in driver software. Insert the network card. The driver will install automatically and enable your PC to connect to the Wi-Fi. If your computer have no access to the internet or isn't able to read a CD driver, this would be a perfect choice. Support app mode area. Wi-Fi transmitter for network computers. Set to app launch mode. The computer's wide network can be converted to Wi-Fi signals so that mobile phones, tablets, laptops can be wirelessly connected to Wi-Fi internet.